Welcome back to Travels with Bert's tour of Ranong Province. Right now we're at a place called Wat Suwan Khiri, and strangely there's a Wat with the same name in Ranong town, but this one is in Kraoburi district. I'm sure you can see the very large pagoda behind me, the gold building, and that was designed and built by a Burmese monk, and it's designed as a replica of the large Shwedagon Paya in Yangon. And if you've ever seen that one, I can assure you this is just a miniature version, it's not really a replica. And I was at the original many years ago. It's so large, I spent hours there just looking at all of the buildings, not just the large pagoda like this, but there's a whole range of buildings. In fact, why don't we start with a quick look at some of those and we'll come back here. Unfortunately, I can't find out exactly how old this place is, but I'm sure it's more than 100 years. There might be something around here that tells us, but I kind of doubt that. What I do know, and what I find rather irritating, is that it's 29 meters wide and 108 feet tall. Why do people mix up their measurement systems like that? They might as well tell me that it's 4 elephants wide and 3 camels tall. I mean, I can almost visualize that. Anyways, you can take that away because I'm done grumbling for now. So let's go and have a good look around. Well, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I'm guessing that you can dress up in those old costumes and ride a bicycle, maybe. I don't think I'll do that. Looks like there's all kinds of makeup here as well. Bizarre thing to do. And now, even though it's still rather gloomy here, I think we'll have a quick look from upstairs. And after that I can show you what it's supposed to look like, because I took some aerial photographs a while ago. A nice sunny day. And that pretty much wraps up our tour of Ranong Province. So until the next time, it's goodbye from Bert, and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.